Good morning, students. I hope you are all fit and fine. Stay home, stay safe. I am Lena Thomas, your mathematics teacher. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 2 numbers. The main contents of the chapter include numbers on an abacus, before, between and after of the numbers, comparison of numbers which include greater than, less than, equal to, ascending and descending order of numbers, place value and face value of numbers, expanded form and compact form of numbers. Before going to discuss about the numbers on abacus, we are going to see 3-digit numbers. 3-digit number means the numbers has include 3 digits. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 999 is the greatest 3-digit numbers. Numbers on abacus means we want to represent a number on abacus. For that we use 3 spikes named O, T, H from right to left. O stand for ones, T stand for tens and H stands for hundreds. We place beads on the spike to represent numbers and no spike has more than 9 beads. If we want to represent 5 on abacus, we put 5 beads on one place spike. If I want to represent 10 on abacus, we put 1 bead on the 10th place spike. If we want to represent 100 on abacus, we put 1 bead on 100th place spike. If we want to represent 342 on abacus, we put 2 beads on 1st place spike, 4 beads on 10th place spike and 3 beads on 100th place spike. Similarly, we can represent any 3-digit numbers on abacus. Now we are going to discuss about the before, after and between. Before means the number less than one number less than the given number. Before means the number the number one less than the given number. That means we want to subtract 1 from the given number. If we want to write the number comes before 279, that means we want to subtract 1 from 279, we get 278. So 278 comes before 279. If we want to get the number comes before 112, to get the number comes before 112, we want to subtract 1 from 112. So we get 111. Now we are going to discuss about after. After means 1 more than or 1 greater than the given number. If we add 1 to the given number, we can get the number coming after the given number. If we given the number 199, we want to write the number comes after 199. To get the number comes after 199, we add 1 to the number, 1 to the given number. We get the number 200. The number comes after 199 is 200. If we want to write the number comes after 198, we want to write the number coming after 198. To get the number, we want to add 1 to 198. We get 199. 199 comes after 198. If we want to write the number comes after 599. To get the number, we want to add 1 to 599. We get 600. Between numbers lies in the middle of two numbers. That means 445 comes between 444 and 446. Now we are moving to comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers include greater than, less than or equal to. Greater than means if the number on the left is greater than the number on the right, we put greater than sign. If we given the numbers 345 and 245, it says that the number on the left is 345 and the number on the right is 245. It says that the number on the left is greater than the number on the right. So we put the greater than symbol. 345 is greater than 245. Next, the given numbers are 789 and 112. The number on the left side is 789 and the number on the right is 112. So we put the greater than symbol. 789 is greater than 112. Less than symbol. If the number on the left is smaller than the number on the right, we put the less than symbol. The number on the right is 800. The number on the right is 890 and the number on the left is 234. The number on the left is smaller than number on the right. So we put the less than symbol. 234 is less than 890. And then next case, the given numbers are 23 and 112. In that case, the number on the right is 123 and the number on the left is 23. This is the number on the right is greater than number on left. So we put the less than symbol. 23 is less than 123. If both the numbers are same, we put equal to sign. Example, 345 equal to 345, 900 equal to 900. Now we are going to discuss about comparing numbers with a different number of digits. First case, the number with greater number of digits is always greater. That means if we given two numbers which include different number of digits. For example, compare 839 and 97. We see that 839 has 3 digits, 8, 3 and 9. And the 97 has only 2 digits, 9 and 7. So we get 3 digit number is always greater than a 2 digit number. So 839 is greater than 97. Comparing numbers with the same number of digits. Now we are going to discuss about comparing numbers with the same number of digits. That include comparing a 3-digit number to a 3-digit number, or comparing a 2-digit number to a 2-digit number. The number with more hundreds is greater. Compare 546 and 731. We want to compare 546 and 731. To compare these two numbers, we want to compare the digits on the hundreds place. So we want to compare 5 and 7. 5 is always less than 7. This is that 7 is greater than 5. So the number 546 is less than 731. Now we want to compare 809 and 709. We want to compare these numbers. We want to compare the digits on the hundreds place. The digits on the hundreds place are 8 and 7. 8 is always greater than 7. So 809 greater than 709. Now the case is if the hundreds are equal, then the numbers with more tens is greater. In this case include if the given two numbers have same digit on the hundreds place. For example, compare 234 and 216. In this case, both the numbers have hundreds place digit as 2. So we want to compare the digits on the tenths place. Digit on the tenths place are 3 and 1. 3 is greater than 1. So we get 234 is greater than 216. If the hundreds and tenths are equal, then the number with more ones is greater. Here the case include if the given two numbers have hundreds place digit is same and tenths place digit is same, then we want to compare the digits on the tenths place. For example, compare 475 and 479. In this case, both the numbers has hundreds place digit 4 and tenths place digit 7 and ones place digit is 5 and 9. So we want to compare 5 and 9. We get 5 is less than 9. So we get 475 is less than 479. Now we are going to discuss about place value. Place value of a digit in a number depends upon its place or position. Place value of a digit depends on its place or position. For example, write the place value of all the digits in the number 374. In 374, the digit 4 is on the ones place, digit 7 is on tenths place and the digit 3 is on hundreds place. So the place value of the digit 3 is on hundreds place. So the place value of 3 is 3 into 100 equal to 300. The place value of the digit 7 is 7 into 10 because the digit 7 is on the tenths place. So the place value of 7 is 70. Now we want to write the place value of 4. 4 is on ones place. So place value of 4 is 4 into 1 equal to 4. Now we are going to discuss about the face value. The face value of a digit in a number is equal to the digits itself. Face value of a digit equal to the digit itself. We want to write the face value of all the digits in 574. In 574, face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 4 is 4. Now we are going to see the place value of all the digits in 574. In 574, 5 is on hundreds place, 7 is on tenth place and 4 is on ones place. So place value of 5 is 500, place value of 7 is 70. Place value of 4 is 4. Now we are going to discuss about expanded form of numbers. To write the given number in an expanded form, we consider the place value of each digit in the given number. We want to write the expanded form of the number 742. We know that 742 includes 7 hundreds, 4 tens and 2 ones. Now we consider the place value of each digit in 742. Place value of 7 is 700. Place value of 4 is 40. Place value of 2 is 2. Thus the expanded form of 742 is 700 plus 40 plus 2. Now, expanded form of a number containing 0. Now we are going to discuss about how we write the expanded form of a number if the given number includes 0. For example, consider the number 302. In 302, 3 is on hundreds place, 0 is on tenths place, 2 is on ones place. So we have to write 310 equal to 300s plus 0 tens plus 2 ones. Writing the place value of the digits, we get 300. Place value of 3 is 300. Place value of 0 is 0. Place value of 2 is 2. We want to remember that place value of 0 is always 0. It is very important. We remember that place value of 0 is 0. If 0 is on the tenths place or 0 is on the ones place. Thus the expanded form of 302 is 302 equal to 300 plus 0 plus 2, or it can be written in other way that 302 equal to 300 plus 2. Now we are going to discuss about the compact form of numbers. To write an expanded number in the compact form, we arrange the number under hundreds, tens and ones columns and write the extreme left digits of each term. That means I can explain it to an example. We want to write the standard form or compact form of 700 plus 8. To write the standard form of 700 plus 8, we arrange it the given expanded form on hundreds, tens and ones place. 700 plus 8 means there is no number given on tenths places. 700 plus 8 contains only hundreds place and ones place digit. First we write the headings hundreds, tens, ones. 700 means 7 hundreds. There is no tens. So 0 tens plus 8 ones. 700. So we get 700 plus 0 plus 8. To get the compact form of standard form of the given expanded form, we write the leftmost digit of each term. Here the leftmost digit is 7, 0 and 8. That shown on red color. Leftmost in 700 leftmost digit is 7. In 0's leftmost digit is 0. In 8 leftmost digit is 8 itself. So we get compact form of 700 plus 8 as 708. I can explain another example for you. We want to write the standard form of 900 plus 20 plus 4. 900 plus 20 plus 4. Hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds place 900 means the number include 900. 20 means number includes 2 tens and 4 is on ones place. So we get 900 plus 20 plus 4. Now we consider the leftmost digit on each case. That is, in 900 leftmost digit is 9. In 20 leftmost digit is 2. In 4 the leftmost digit is 4 itself. So we get the standard form of 900 plus 20 plus 4 as 9 2 4 924. So these are the contents included in the chapter 2. Thank you.